Hey guys, we are going out the channel. It's gonna get rough here in a second, and then about a mile out, it will ease off.
See the horizon, it's all lumpy. It's not flat, John.
Thanks, man. I need a drink with all these people goddamn waiting there. They have to have showers and everything.
Pass me the bags.
Hey, they're traveling light anyway. No hard bags. That's an extra.
You okay?
Yeah, I was just hanging on to the boat.
Alright.
I think we got pillows.
Simple. Hey,
Barb's on the boat.
Hey, whose pillow is that? I
made
just
it.
dropped it in the water.
Come on. What did I drop in the water? Oh, no. No, I don't think you did.
Here, let's bring
All right.
Bring your stuff. Carrie Ann, you know the front room. You
Yeah.
have the long single bed, and your
Yeah.
parents got the
She was worried
double
about if
one.
they're not going to be comfortable on that other bed. They'll be fine on that other bed, I think, right?
What other bed?
The one where
The double, yes,
Yeah.
yes. No problem.
April's not even rocking. We just ate some pizza and now
You
we're
can
playing
see us on
Skippo.
episode
And,
2 of Navicula
Good
Travels.
for you.
We're doing the
And you guys are
Skippo.
having another party.
We're exchanging the little kids' gifts. So
All right.
Nice.
All right. Well, we won't bother you. You have a nice evening.
Everybody there.
All right.
Okay, Roberta. Should be here.
We'll talk to you.
Roberta, you're on the video for the Navicula Travels.
Yeah. We're gonna need you to sign a waiver.
Okay.
Hello,
Just
gotta
card.
sign a waiver.
Just,
You guys coming for New Year's or Christmas?
No.
Johnny?
no, we're
They're
not.
gonna be out in the Bahamas.
We'll
heading
be
to
in the water.
Bahamas.
Yeah.
All right. Well, safe trip.
Having people on board is a lot of fun. And 9 times out of 10, most people want to try and go up the mast. So we get them geared up, put them in a Bolson's chair. John guides them through the wires going up, and it's quite a lot of fun. So we have here 68-year-old Richie Carrera, and he scampered up that mast like a kid, no problem.
Slowly sit. There you go. He's got it. He's got it.
On your neck.
Okay. Perfect. Okay. Get him standing a little straighter. No, you're not getting any to him. You tell us when you're ready to come down.
All right, go for it.
All right. Bring him down a bit.
Coming back down the mast can be a little tricky sometimes, but once they've landed, the smile on their face is gratifying enough.
Attaboy. That's it. Yeah, come around this way just like you came up. That's it. You got it. All right. Yeah, exactly. Grab onto these. Hey, grab both hands onto here. Both hands. There you go. One on each other. There you go. Now you're talking. And Santa's dropping in. I'm not feeling very good right now, guys. And Sandy is taking over the helm here. And we are on our crossing. I think it's pretty smooth. Sandy does not. We'll be out here for about 20 hours until we get out of this Gulf Stream. And I just need some rest. I'm gonna rest a bit and I'll be okay. We're settling in for the night. Autopilot's working great. Sandy will go down below and sleep tonight. And I will stay up here and wake up every hour to have a look around. How beautiful is this, eh? We got a full moon. Look at that. Oh, what a beautiful crossing. I got some stars out. You may not be able to see them, but it's sick out here. Lovely. Some great run last night, and we are going to an abandoned development. We've never been in here before, and we are going to anchor inside this development. And they cut channels through here. It's kind of windy today. I don't know if I can fly the drone, but it'd be pretty cool to check this out. Anyways, we're gonna go in and anchor for the night. And so we've heard about this place, never been to it. Beautiful Sandy is at the helm, guiding us in. Oh.
I'm gonna need to slow down.
Yeah, good idea, Sandy. Slow down.
Okay.
I just feel that it's been awful, and but today's okay. Today's the first nice day in the Bahamas, eh, dear?
It's getting, nicer. At least it's not overcast. The sun is out, but the wind is coming from the northeast, so the wind is a little chilly, but it's okay. It's the first day.
So we're anchored in front of the grotto here. We're going into Staniel Yacht Club tonight for New Year's Eve. New Year's. We're going to spend New Year's at the Staniel Yacht Club. Listen, a lot of famous people are here right now, I believe.
Yeah, parked out in their yachts. Whether they come in or not, we'll see, but there's definitely a fair amount of well-to-do people at the marina.
And it's $25 a head to go to the yacht club tonight.
It gets you in the bar, that's it.
Yes, it gets you in the bar to pay $25 a drink. And, well, it might be 15 or whatever the case may be. But I feel it's an opportunity to go. You know what? When we may never do this again, and who knows what could happen. So I say let's do it. Sandy's on the fence. I don't want to go. I say we go, and we stay up a little bit past 8 o'clock tonight. That's what we're gonna do.
I just feel it's going to be so packed. They're going to oversell wristbands, so you're not probably going to be able to get into the bar. So you're going to be standing outside, and you pay $25 to stand outside, and maybe if you can get a drink at the bar, if you can work your way in there.
I want to rub shoulders with Steven Spielberg.
Yeah, if he comes, that would be awesome.
His yacht is out here.
But you know what? I don't even think I would recognize him if he was standing next to me.
Me either.
So I think I would have to take a look online what he looks like, just in case if he does show up. But I highly doubt he would, because just out on the other side of the grotto, about a mile from shore, or a mile and a half, there's 3 or 4 huge yachts. And Spielberg is one of them. Man of Steel is another one.
The owner of, or the guy that developed Snapchat is also, his yacht's also here. But, and we don't know what's out there right now because people coming in all the time, right?
Yeah.
So the main thing is I'm not even going to spend a lot of time trying to recognize Spielberg. I really don't care.
No.
You know what I mean? You know what? He may have the opportunity to rub on our shoulders. How does that sound?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's better because you know what? I don't give a rat's ass who they are. You know what? They're wearing they're barefoot right now, just like we are. And anyways, so listen, I just want to thank you guys for following along. And I know we've been slow on the videos, but the weather has just not enough time to make videos, but we're going to try and put them out quicker now and blow up your internet like I promised. So you're going to be sick of us, I hope.